Hi, this is Sandra Long, and we're here talking about LinkedIn profile editing. The two sections that we're going to talk about right now are the headline and the summary. These are very important sections of your profile because they're very strategic. So this video is not intending to talk about how to make your headline or your profile more appealing, or how to structure it, or how to do the wording and how to position yourself. That's something you can find elsewhere, including my book, LinkedIn for Personal Branding. This video instead is really just to show you how to make the edits. So we're here at the main part of your LinkedIn. You're going to come over to the Me section and click on View Profile. Now that I'm at View Profile, this top section is opened up by the pencil. Once I click there, this whole section is something that I can now edit. I can remove. There's a total currently of 120 characters, so that's easily changeable. And then scrolling down here, this section that they call Summary has the ability to have up to 2,000 characters. So if it's empty, you can go ahead and populate. You can either start writing in the summary, or you can take a Word document, copy and paste it in here, which I do recommend, because if you type it out initially elsewhere, it gives you the opportunity to do a spell check. It gives you the opportunity to maybe ask a colleague or a friend to read it. And once you're happy with it, copy it and paste it into this section. Once you've done that with the summary and the headline, indicate save, and you're all set to go.